Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook For You presents Garlic Potato Bites. Take 2 large potatoes. Peel them very well. Cut into small pieces. Place them in a microwave-safe dish. Wrap a dish with cling film. Prick holes as shown. Bake in a microwave for 8 minutes, or you can even boil the potatoes. Avoid overcooking. Peel off the cling film. Make sure it's cooked. Check with knife. Perfectly cooked. Mash them very well when potatoes are hot. Very smooth texture. Remove in a mixing bowl. Add 150 grams cornflour. Combine well. Knead it by adding water little by little at a time. Add water according to the moisture content of potatoes. Make a soft dough. Grease your palm with oil. Take a small portion and make ball. Dip the bottleneck into oil. To avoid sticking, press with bottleneck to give it mushroom shape. Press it gently. Repeat same procedure to make all the mushrooms. Make balls. Press it down with grease bottle gently. Make more mushroom-shaped potato bites. All the potato bites are ready to boil. Add some salt in a boiling water. Drop the potatoes. Cook for 3 minutes. Or until they are fully cooked, they will start floating. Strain it and drop them in ice-cold water. Leave it for 2 minutes. Strain the potato mushrooms and discard the water. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon Schezwan Chutney, 1 teaspoon Tomato Ketchup, 1 tablespoon green onions, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, Keep aside. Meanwhile, make the tempering. Heat up the pan. Add 2 tablespoon oil. 1 tablespoon butter. Let the butter melt. Add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Cook for 30 seconds or until it turns aromatic. Pour tempering on potato mushrooms. Add half teaspoon of white sesame seeds. Toss these with a light hand. Korean garlic potato bites are ready to serve. Dish out. Garnish with green onions and sesame seeds. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.